Thank you, Cala. With the sangria that we already drink. Bakit ang bigay? Ting full ekoy. Ano this is the final? Ting fucking bad. Like how fucking hilarious. I love this. Mane ting bar ay atrás, hindi ba ko ake and this is full ekoy pa emotional. It's a motherfucking vibe. Do you understand this shit? Listen to the music. The ocean. It's the sunset. We have a couple bad bitches having drinks over here. A couple taking pictures. Others over there in the cave doing God knows what. And then we have the couple here, you know, smoking some green baby. But I ain't smoking because I'm fucking sober. This is what we live for. Amen, baby. I am so fucking grateful. Look at this. This is the vibe. Oh.